Today, we're diving into the Superfit Costway Treadmill remote control, specifically designed for models OSD SP37747 USSL, OSD SP37747 US New York, OSD SP37747 USDK, and OSD SP37747 USRE, as well as their SUP37 SP747 US counterparts. The remote is also compatible with other Superfit Costway treadmill models, such as SP37146, SP37036, SP37148, SP37514, SP37513, SP37522, SP37514YE, SP37514RE, SP37514WH, SP37038RE, SP37146BK, SP37038 New York, SP37146YE, SP37146GN, SP37038SL, and SP37146WH.TO. Pair the remote with your treadmill. Start by unplugging the safety lock. Then, point the remote at the display window within 10 seconds and simultaneously hold down the Start/Pause button for about 3 seconds. Once you hear the system beep, the pairing is successful. The remote operates on CR 2016 batteries, providing a convenient and long-lasting power source. With GNGQINSI as the brand, it's designed for adults and features an LCD display. The remote offers 2 programs, making it a simple yet effective accessory for your Superfit Costway Treadmill. In terms of design and functionality, the remote aligns seamlessly with the Superfit Costway Treadmill aesthetic. Its ease of use and straightforward pairing process make it a valuable addition to enhance your workout experience. Whether you're replacing an old remote or looking for a reliable spare, the Superfit Costway Treadmill remote control is a practical choice for users seeking convenience and functionality. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.